James Don, it's okay to stay for a few days. Exceptional good. Near central area, easy to access to anywhere as it is near to the central. Hotel room is okay but not as big, and the photo customer services are very great and helpful. Exceptional good and perfect. Nothing to complain. Good services, clean, good services, friendly staff. Great location, hotel was clean and most of all had a great location. The staff was very helpful in booking us taxis to get around. It's worth it, the staff is very friendly, good hospitality, strategic place for walking distance. I will stay here again, if travel to Saigon again. Great stay, very friendly and helpful staff. Great location, nice room with good view, highly recommend. Perfect location and staff. Exceptional, very helpful staff and caring staff. Tasty buffet breakfast. Cool small hotel, very cheerful, efficient and well-educated staff. Congrats. My first visit to HCMC was great cause my friend and I choose to stay in Platinum Hotel. Its proximity to tourist spot was really good. The hotel is really nice, not to mention the great staff, Ms. Emblem, Ms. Vi, and most especially to the very cheerful and helpful Ms. Vicon. Will definitely stay in this hotel when I come back. Hot water needs to be fixed. Nice place. Clean, price is good, staff is friendly.